my god, Stranger, you are so funny.
Thanks, Alfreda.
I'm so happy we're at the beach together today. Like on the beach.
Yeah, me too. It's so fun to be at the beach with you. Like at the beach. Together.
Give me a smooch. You are so cute. Wait, what? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, the sun just exploded!
Hey guys, just wanted to butt in super quick and let you know that this film is not scientifically accurate. If the sun blew up, we would know about 8 minutes 20 seconds after the initial explosion happened, because we would obviously no longer have light. And at the end of the day, that would be fine, but the shockwave and radiation from the blast that would also hit us at the exact same time would kill us immediately.
What the fuck?
Alfreda! No! Oh my god. I have to get out of here. I have to escape. If the world is ending, I think maybe I could get back to my family's house in time to say goodbye one last time. But I need to go now! Oh my god. Thank God I'm almost home.